Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today in this video I'm going to quickly show you how to buy Steam gift card on Amazon. So let's get into the video. So open up Amazon and log into your account. If you have an account, just log in, and then once you're done here on Amazon, so what we're going to do, you're going to simply search for Steam gift card in this search bar here. So just type in Steam gift card, okay, and then search for it, and you will see a wide range of results here. So just choose a gift card that best suits you. So for example, anyone here. So for example, yep, just choose that. And then if you're all right, and if you're okay with it, and if you want to buy this Steam gift card here, simply type in buy now, click on it, and then once you click on buy now, and then this will now take you to the payment option here. So select the payment option, that whatever that your payment method that you want to use. So select that, hit on continue, and complete the transaction, and that's it. You'll be able to purchase the Steam card on Amazon. That's pretty much it. It's pretty easy. Hope this video was helpful. I will see you in another video. Thank you.